Today, I'm going to show you how to install your Coverland Premium Seat Cover set on your Ford F-150. I'm going to walk you through how to install it on the front and back seats and give you tips on the best possible fit. With high-quality materials, Coverland seat covers are breathable, airbag-friendly, and designed specifically for your exact make and model. Every cover includes advanced lumbar support, plush memory foam, and durable protection against spills and scratches. When you open your kit, you'll find each seat cushion cover, backrest cover, and headrest cover, along with several connection straps, chucks, and hooks. We'll start by installing the front seats. First, note that the driver and passenger seat cushions in the F-150 are slightly different, so line them up with your covers before you start. Begin by locating the straps on the inside of the front elastic band of your seat cushion cover. Feed your metal hook through like this. Once both sides are connected, use them to pull the elastic cover over your seat. Hook the straps onto the metal fixture underneath your seat for a secure fit. You'll also find plastic chucks that attach to the bands on the back of the cover. Connect the chucks like this. Push them through the crack at the back of the seat, wedge them in, and rotate them so they stay in place. Now your seat cushion cover will be snug and won't slide when you sit or move. Your set also includes our complimentary fitting knife, which you can use to tuck the seat cover more firmly into your seat for a clean, finished look. Next, take the backrest cover, attach the chucks to the bands at the bottom of the cover, just like you did for the cushion cover. Slide the backrest cover over the seat like a t-shirt and pull it down for a tight fit. As before, wedge your chucks into the seat crack to hold everything in place. Connect the Velcro at the top of the seat cover, and you're all set. Finally, slide the headrest cover onto the headrest and secure the Velcro at the bottom. Repeat this full process for the passenger seat. Now, we'll move on to the back seats. In your kit, you'll find two full-size covers for the left and right seats, and a smaller one for the middle seat. Install the left and right seat covers first. Start again with the seat cushion covers. Attach the plastic chucks to the bands on each side of the bottom of the cover. In your packaging, find the nylon straps and hooks. Then connect them to the front of your cushion cover by inserting the hook through the hole in the center of the chuck. Use the latch on your rear seat to lift it up. While the seat is lifted, feed the bands through the crack at the bottom and wrap the hooks underneath the seat to connect them to the chucks. Once the left and right cushions are installed, connect the hook straps on your middle seat cushion the same way. And use the Velcro to join all three cushions so they sit as one piece. Next, attach the plastic chucks to the elastic bands on both backrest covers. Slide each backrest cover onto the left and right seats. Pull the elastic corners over and wrap the elastic strap around the back of the headrest. The buckles are on the outer side of each seat. Attach the chucks to the elastic bands on the middle backrest. Slide it between the left and right covers, and pull the top elastic band over the headrest again. Now find your elastic buckle extender. Connect it to the buckle on either the left or right seat cover. Pass the elastic buckle behind the headrest through the top elastic band on the middle cover, and connect it to the buckle on the opposite side. Tuck the straps behind the seat for a clean look while keeping everything tight. Insert all chuck straps between the backrest and the seat cushion. When installing the middle backrest, pull the seat belt through the center opening and place it over the cover. Remove the Velcro covers and tuck the middle cover under the side of the main seat covers. For the final step, slide the headrest covers onto each headrest of the matching size and secure the Velcro. Your interior is now protected, more comfortable, and more stylish. Thank you for watching, and if this helped, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more installations and tips.